Aristides Fraga Lima, the author of The Mountain of the Two Boys, was a Brazilian writer dedicated to children's literature. Born in Alagoas, Bahia, in 1923, Lima brought the colors and flavors of Northeastern culture into his works, reflecting the everyday life, customs, and challenges faced by the inhabitants of the Brazilian countryside. His work is marked by a deep understanding of rural life, which he conveyed in an engaging and accessible way for young readers. A Serra dos Dois Meninos is set on the fictional Gravata farm in the Bahia backlands, where the protagonists, Ricardo and Maneca, embark on a thrilling adventure. The story revolves around these two brothers, sons of Senor Domingos and Dona Mariana, who, after moving from the city to the farm, decide to explore the mysterious mountains surrounding the property. Together with other characters, such as the farm's cowboys and local hunters, Ricardo and Maneca face the challenges of the wild and dangerous nature of the Bahian hinterland. The central plot of the book follows the brothers on their journey to explore the Serra do Capitão, a difficult and dangerous place to access. The narrative focuses on the boys' experiences and lessons as they try to survive in the harsh environment, facing wild animals like jaguars and overcoming obstacles with intelligence and courage. The story highlights not only physical adventures but also the importance of friendship, unity, and respect for nature. The Mountain of the Two Boys is an important work in Brazilian children's literature, as it offers young readers a glimpse into life in the northeastern hinterlands, often far from urban reality. Besides entertaining, the book educates about the culture and challenges faced by those living in rural areas, promoting values like perseverance, solidarity, and courage in the face of adversity. To conclude, these are the 5 main characteristics of the book The Mountain of the Two Boys by Aristides Fraga Lima. Exploration of Northeastern culture. The book vividly portrays life in the Bahia hinterlands, showcasing the customs, beliefs, and daily life of the cowboys and local inhabitants. Adventure and danger. The story centers on a dangerous adventure faced by the protagonists, who confront natural challenges and wild animals in a hostile environment. Value of friendship and unity. The brothers' unity and friendship with the cowboys are crucial for overcoming obstacles, highlighting the importance of personal bonds and adversity. Respect for nature. The book emphasizes the importance of understanding and respecting nature, a crucial lesson the boys learn during their journey. Rich descriptive style. The work is rich in descriptions that transport the reader to the northeastern hinterlands, providing an immersive experience in the region's landscape and culture. This was our summary of the book The Mountain of the Two Boys by Aristides Fraga Lima. We hope it helped you.